Hello friends! In today's video we're going to talk about a major military decision taken by Romania that could impact not just the country itself, but also NATO and the entire region around the Black Sea. For the first time, Romania has authorized its military to shoot down drones, not during war, but in peacetime. Yes, you heard that right. But why now? What incidents triggered this? And what does it mean for the future of defense in Europe? Let's understand this step by step. Romania is a NATO member, sharing borders with Ukraine and situated close to the war zone. Ever since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in 2022, Romania has been witnessing a disturbing trend: multiple drones, mostly Russian, flying across its border. In some cases, they even crashed and exploded within Romanian territory. These weren't random toys, these were military drones, posing a serious risk to civilian lives and national security. Despite being a NATO country, Romania couldn't do much initially. Why? Because under its existing peacetime laws, the military did not have clear legal authority to act against such drone incursions unless there was a formal war declaration or direct armed conflict, but things are changing now. On 19 May 2025, Romania officially signed two critical laws. The first one empowers the military to shoot down or neutralize any unauthorized aircraft, especially drones, that enter its airspace. And this is applicable even during peacetime. The second law enables the Romanian military to conduct specific internal operations, even without a formal state of war. These operations include border security, aerial monitoring, response to emergencies, and protecting strategic infrastructure like ports and airports. Essentially, the military can now act faster without going through bureaucratic loops. This legislation was passed by the Romanian Senate in February and signed by the interim president Ilie Bolojan in May. This new law wasn't passed in isolation. Since September 2023, there have been at least 12 confirmed drone incursions by Russian drones. Some of them crashed very close to villages in Romania. Imagine a drone with an explosive payload crashing near your home. The situation was getting dangerous. People in border towns were living in fear, and NATO itself started facing questions. If one of its members is being threatened, shouldn't there be a stronger response? This internal pressure built up, and Romania decided to take matters into its own hands, legally and defensively. But not everyone agreed with this decision. Opposition parties like AUR, POT and SOS Romania challenged these laws in Romania's constitutional court. Their argument was simple: giving the military too much power during peacetime might violate democratic norms and civil rights. However, the constitutional court ruled in favor of the government, stating that the laws were necessary given the evolving nature of modern threats like drones. They said the military's role in protecting sovereignty and national integrity needed to be legally supported, especially in such unpredictable times. Romania isn't just relying on laws, it has also improved its military capabilities. It has deployed 41 Gepard anti-aircraft systems. These are mobile systems designed to track and shoot down drones and low-flying aircraft. They are known for their effectiveness, especially in the Ukrainian conflict. And with NATO's support, Romania is also upgrading its air defense radar systems and training soldiers to deal with drone swarms and surveillance missions. It's no longer just about tanks and missiles. Today, drones are the front line of modern warfare. In summary, Romania's decision to authorize drone shoot-downs during peacetime is a landmark move in Europe's security strategy. It shows how hybrid warfare, using drones, cyber attacks, and gray zone tactics, is forcing countries to rethink their military rules. This move not only strengthens Romania's defense but also sends a message to any country attempting to breach NATO territory, even subtly. As threats evolve, laws and responses must evolve too. What do you think? Is this the right step, or could it set a dangerous precedent? Let me know in the comments.